Hello, my dear students. I welcome you all in Bhavna Mishra Pandey English classes. Today we will do short question answers of the chapter Ranga's Marriage, written by Masti Venkatesha Iyengar from the book Snapshot. So let's start. Question number 1. What does the narrator say about Hosahalli? So Hosahalli village is the scene of action, means so many actions take place there. There is no mention of it in geography books written by the sahibs in England or Indian writers, means this village is not mentioned in the geography books which were written by the English people or the Indian writers. No cartographers has put it on the map, means cartographers means one who draw maps. So cartographers also didn't mention this village on the map. The narrator highlights its importance by comparing it to the filling of the Karigadabu. So Karigadabu is a South Indian sweet which is filled with coconut and sugar. So होसाहल्ली विलेज को कंपेयर किया है किससे? करिगदाबू से. Next question, question number 2. What are the two special produce of Hosahalli? So what are the two special things of Hosahalli? In what respect? So first one is raw mango. Raw mango means kacha aam. The sourness of its bite is sure to get straight to the Brahmarandra, the soft part in child's head where skull bones join later. सो इतना खट्टा कि वो आपको अंदर तक फील होगा. सेकेंड स्पेशलिटी इज अ क्रीपर ग्रोइंग इन द वाटर ऑफ विलेज पॉन्ड. इट्स फ्लावर. स्पेशलिटी ऑफ दैट क्रीपर इज फ्लावर, मीन्स इतने बड़े हैं. फीस्ट टू behold means they can hold a feast, and you can serve afternoon meal to the whole family on its 2 leaves, and using 2 leaves we can serve the whole meal for the family. Now these are the two specialities. Next question, question number 3. What exactly had happened 10 years ago? 10 years ago here means when this chapter may be written before that. How important it was then? 10 years ago there was not many people in the village who knew English. Very few people who knew English that time. The village accountant was the first one who sent his son Ranga Bangalore to pursue his studies. So village accountant was the first one who sent Ranga for the further studies to Bangalore. It was quite important event then, बिकॉज उस टाइम तक कोई भी बाहर नहीं गया था टू परस्यू द स्टडीज, अपनी स्टडीज आगे पूरी करने के लिए. द नरेटर हाईलाइट्स इट बाय सेइंग दैट द विलेज अकाउंटेंट वाज द फर्स्ट वन हु हैड इनफ करेज. उसमें इतना साहस था कि उन्होंने क्या किया, अपने सन को बाहर भेजा. कहाँ पे? बेंगलोर फॉर द फर्दर स्टडीज. Question number 4. What happened when Ranga returned to his village from the city of Bangalore? So what happened that time? Or you can examiner can ask you this question, describe the homecoming of Ranga. In both the ways he can ask. So Ranga's homecoming was a great event. The crowd milled around his house. बहुत सारे people collected near his house to see whether he had changed or not, because for 6 months he went out for the studies. So people collected over there near his house to see whether is there any change or not. People were quite excited as the boy was returning home after studying English at Bangalore, and that time English बहुत सारे people नहीं जानते थे. That's why everyone was surprised to see that Ranga was the same as he had been 6 months ago when he had first left the village, and everybody was surprised and amazed कि रंगा वैसा का वैसा ही है जैसा कि वो 6 months before था जब उन्होंने अपना गांव छोड़ा था. गांव कौन सा? होसाहली. So, next question, how did the old lady satisfy herself about Ranga? So, how did the old lady satisfy? The old lady ran her hand over Ranga's chest. She looked into his eyes. First of all, उसने अपना हाथ उसकी chest पे रख के check किया. Then looked into Ranga's eyes. She was satisfied to find the sacred thread. And what was that sacred thread? That is called Janevara or Janev, you can say. Brahmin people used to put this Janevara. She was happy that he had not lost his caste. So, in this way, the old lady satisfied herself. What has happened is disgraceful, believe me, says the narrator. What does he refer to? How does he illustrate his point of view? So, what has happened? ऐसा क्या हो गया था which was disgraceful? So, what does he refer to? So, here the narrator refers to the practice of young persons who during the holidays in village go on talking in English or bring in English words while talking in Kannada. So, narrator refers that so many people during the holidays who come from outside, and they usually, what do? They talk in English, otherwise they use the words of English while using the Kannada language. So this was disgraceful. He calls his mixing up of two languages, that thing, इस चीज़ को उन्होंने क्या बोला? Disgraceful means mixing up of two languages. In Kannada they were mixing English. He gives the example of the use of English word change to an illiterate person. So उन्होंने example दिया है, जब रामा राव के घर पे one lady came with a bundle of firewood. So she asked for the payment, but Ranga says, I don't have change. So, and she didn't understand. That's why the old lady, being asked to come the next day, went disgruntled. And disgruntled means in the angry mood. She left that place because she didn't understand what that fellow means Ranga is saying. तो रंगा क्या कह रहा था उसको समझ में नहीं आया. So in the muttering and angry way, she left the place. Why does the narrator refer to the black hole of Calcutta? Black hole क्या चीज़ है? ब्लैक होल एक हिस्ट्री की घटना है. ड्यूरिंग द ब्रिटिश रूल, हंड्रेड्स ऑफ पर्सन्स वर केप्ट इनसाइड अ सिंगल रूम. हंड्रेड्स ऑफ पीपल इन अ सिंगल रूम. द नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग मोस्ट ऑफ देम वर फाउंड डेड. अलास, बहुत सारे पीपल मर गए थे ड्यू टू सफोकेशन. The narrator uses the expression black hole of Calcutta to suggest the large number of people who had turned out to see Ranga. So black hole of Calcutta का जो सिचुएशन था वो यहाँ पे कंपेयर किया गया है, बिकॉज सो मैनी पीपल वर कलेक्टेड नियर द हाउस ऑफ रंगा, उससे मिलने के लिए, उसको देखने के लिए, बिकॉज ही वेंट आउट टू परस्यू हिज स्टडीज. हाउ डिड रंगा ग्रीट द नरेटर? In what respect did he differ from the present day boys? So, रंगा ने कैसे नरेटर मीन्स श्यामा, उनको कैसे ग्रीट किया? एंड व्हाट रिस्पेक्ट डिड ही डिफर फ्रॉम प्रेजेंट डे बॉयज़? आजकल के बॉयज़ से वो कैसे डिफर थे? कौन? रंगा. रंगा ग्रीटेड द नरेटर विद फुल डिवोशन, बहुत अच्छे से, इन अ फुल रिस्पेक्टफुल वे. He greeted the narrator, he greeted Shyama. He not only folded his hands but also bent low to touch his feet. Means in a respectful way, he folded his hands like namaste we do, and touched the feet like charan sparsh we do in Hindi. We say in Hindi, a present day boy would stand stiff like a pole without joints, keep head towards the sun and jerk his body as if it were either a hand or a walking stick. So उन्होंने बोला है कि आजकल के बॉयज़ क्या करते हैं? दे डोंट बेंड, वो बेंड नहीं होते बिल्कुल भी, एंड दे बिल्कुल खड़े रहते हैं स्टिफ, एक पोल की तरह, एंड बिल्कुल भी अपनी बॉडी को झुकाते नहीं हैं, रिस्पेक्टफुल वे में किसी को ग्रीट नहीं करते. मीन्स द नरेटर बीइंग ओल्ड फैशन डिड नॉट अप्रूव इट, एंड द नरेटर श्यामा, he was a traditional man and he didn't approve this way of namaskara. तो इसलिए वो कहते हैं कि रंगा ने नरेटर को बहुत अच्छे से ग्रीट किया था. सबसे पहले he folded his hands and touched the feet also. So narrator was so much impressed. When did Ranga plan to marry and why? So what were the plans of Ranga regarding marriage? Ranga did not want to get married at an early age. He wanted to find the right girl. Right girl means girl of his own choice. She should be mature enough to understand his love talk. Means वो इतनी mature होनी चाहिए कि उसकी बातों में जो love है, she should feel that love. The feeling of love she should feel. Secondly, he wished to marry a girl he admired, means girl of his own choice. He was against marrying quite young girl who had no manners or were not careful of his face or figure. मीन्स द गर्ल शुड बी मेच्योर. वो इतनी मेच्योर होनी चाहिए कि उसको अपनी ब्यूटी की केयर हो, अपने फेस की, अपने फिगर की केयर हो. मीन्स वो मेच्योर होनी चाहिए. शी शुड बी अ मेच्योर गर्ल. उनसे ही वो शादी करना चाहता था. What examples did Ranga give to explain the importance of marrying late? So वो क्यों चाहते हैं कि उनकी मैरिज लेट हो? So Ranga gave two examples due to two reasons. He want to marry late. An officer about 30 married a girl about 25. Ranga hoped they would be able to talk lovingly to each other. So this was the first example Ranga gave, that he noticed one officer he himself was of 30 and he married a girl of 25. So they can express their love for each other nicely because they were of same age, you can say. The second example is that of Dushyanta falling in love with Shakuntala, who was quite mature. So this was the second example given by Ranga. So because of these two reasons, he wanted to marry late. Next, Ranga was just the boy for her and she the most suitable bride for him, says the narrator. Who is she? What led narrator to this conclusion? So narrator Ranga जो था वो बहुत ही suitable boy था उसके लिए and girl उस girl के लिए and girl भी suitable थी उस boy के लिए. Boy means Ranga. Who was she? Who was that girl? She here stands for Ratna. Who was Ratna? Ratna was the niece of Rama Rao. She was a pretty girl of 11. She was only 11-year-old. Both her parents having died, her uncle had brought her home. So, being a girl from a big town, she knew how to play the veena and the harmonium. She was a pretty girl and she knew how to play all these musical instruments. She belonged to a big town. That's why the narrator says that this girl is suitable for Ranga. She also had a sweet voice. All these qualities made her a suitable bride for a young educated man like Ranga. Now, question number 12. How did the narrator let Ranga have a glimpse of Ratna? कैसे उनकी मीटिंग करवाई एंड कैसे एक झलक लेने के लिए ऐसा कुछ अरेंजमेंट करा कि दोनों एक दूसरे से मिल पाएं without knowing about this situation. So, the narrator arranged the meeting very systematically. First, he called Ratna on the pretext of sending buttermilk through her. So, what did he say? He said कि रत्ना बटरमिल्क लेकर के आए. बटरमिल्क मीन्स लस्सी और छाछ you can say, or matha you can say. Then he asked her to sing a song. Meanwhile, when she was singing, whom he had sent for reached the door, and he said Ranga to reach there. He became curious to see the singer and peeped in. When Ratna was playing, Ranga reached there and peeped in. His presence at the door blocked the light and Ratna stopped singing abruptly. So this was the thing. This was the arrangement done by the narrator. Who was the narrator? श्यामा. उन्होंने ऐसा कुछ सेट किया जिससे कि वहाँ पे रंगा भी पहुँचे, रत्ना भी पहुँचे एंड द क्वालिटीज भी उसको शो हो जाए कि दिस गर्ल हैज़ दीज मैनी क्वालिटीज. दिस गर्ल हैज़ अ स्वीट वॉइस, शी कैन प्ले ऑल द इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स ऑल्सो. सो next question. How did Ranga and Ratna react at their unexpected encounter when they faced each other? What was the reaction that time? So Ratna stopped singing abruptly on seeing a stranger outside the room. When Ratna noticed somebody outside the room, she stopped her singing. Ranga felt disappointed when the singing stopped. Actually, he wanted to listen everything. He wanted to listen the song played by that girl Ratna. Ratna stood at a distance with her head lowered because she was feeling shy. She was blushing to see any stranger outside the room. Ranga repeatedly glanced at her. He blamed himself for singing to stop and offered to leave. Actually, he said, because of my presence only you stopped your sweet song, but it's better I should leave. Ratna was overcome by shyness and ran inside. Ranga inquired about her. So this was the reaction of both this Ranga and Ratna. When Ratna was playing, Ratna जब song play कर रही थी, song गा रही थी, music instruments play कर रही थी, at that moment Ranga reached there, Ranga वहाँ पे पहुँचे and noticed that girl. बट दैट गर्ल स्टॉप्ड. वो लड़की रत्ना गाना गाते गाते चुप हो गई. एंड ये उनकी मीटिंग का मेन था. एंड रत्ना बहुत ज़्यादा शाय हो गई थी. एंड शी वेंट इनसाइड. एंड वो अंदर चली गई. Question number 14. Why did the narrator tell Ranga that the girl was married a year ago? So narrator, what was the plan inside narrator's mind that he said Ranga that girl Ratna is married? The narrator had made up his mind that he would get Ranga married early. Actually, Ranga's plan about getting married, he doesn't want to marry early. वो जल्दी शादी नहीं करना चाहते हैं. But narrator has made up his mind. narrator ने अपना मन बना लिया है. He is determined to get him marry early. उसको जल्दी शादी करवाना चाहते हैं. किसकी? रत्ना के साथ. First he brought Ranga and Ratna face to face to arouse his interest in her. उसमें उसका interest develop हो रत्ना में रंगा का. That's why उनका एक एनकाउंटर करवाया, उनको फेस टू फेस लेकर के आए. इन ऑर्डर टू टेस्ट द स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ हिज इमोशन ही टोल्ड रंगा दैट शी वॉज मैरिड अ ईयर अगो. एंड पहले उनकी ऐसे अब्रप्ट मीटिंग करवाई, अचानक से उनकी सडनली उनकी मीटिंग करवाई. एंड उनके बाद वो देखना चाहते थे कि इमोशंस प्रेजेंट हैं रंगा में या नहीं. दैट्स वाई ही टोल्ड this girl is married 1 year. This girl was married a year ago. The shriveled face of the young man betrayed his feelings and from his face, उसके face से जो वो face मतलब जो उनके मन में था और जो वो मुंह से कह रहे थे वो दोनों चीज़ें मैच नहीं कर रही थी एक्चुअली. एंड क्योंकि मन में तो था उस गर्ल के लिए कुछ फीलिंग्स थी एंड फेस से वो कुछ एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर पा रहे थे. सो ये एक तरीका था क्या करने का? इमोशंस के बारे में जानने का. टू नो अबाउट द फीलिंग्स ऑफ Ranga. Why did the narrator visit the village astrologer? So why did he go there to Shastri? The narrator wanted to exploit the common human weakness, eagerness to know the future. Actually, we all have this common weakness that we want to know what is there in our future. He went to the village astrologer and told him to keep ready to read the stars. Actually उन्होंने उसको सिखा पढ़ा दिया था कि आपको क्या करना है. आपको अपने जो भी पैराफर्नालिया है, पैराफर्नालिया means the ingredients you need, means you take out your books and all those things and you have to read the stars in front of Ranga. He tutored him. अच्छी तरह से उनको सिखा दिया था कि उनको क्या बोलना है. किसको? शास्त्री जी को या विलेज एस्ट्रोलॉजर को. In all that he wanted the astrologer to say when he would revisit him with Ranga. and जब वो रंगा के साथ वापस आए तो वो क्या करे? विलेज एस्ट्रोलॉजर क्या करे? सारी वही की वही बात बोल दे जो श्यामा ने उनको बोलने के लिए कहा है. इसलिए वो एक बार पहले विजिट करके आ गए थे विलेज एस्ट्रोलॉजर के साथ, ताकि बाद में जब वो रंगा के साथ जाएं वहाँ पे रिविजिट करें तो शास्त्री जी वो ही बात बोलें जो उनको बोलने के लिए फर्स्ट मीटिंग में कहा गया था। Now question number 16, in what mental emotional state did the narrator find Ranga? So Ranga की क्या mental state थी उस time? What solution did he offer? तो what was the solution given to him? How did Ranga react to it? What was the reaction of Ranga? Ranga seemed to be lost in thoughts. Perhaps he was emotionally upset to learn that the girl he had seen that morning was already married one. So रंगा जो था वो बहुत ज़्यादा विचारों में खो गया था कि एंड ही वॉज अपसेट ऑल्सो, इमोशनली ही वॉज अपसेट कि जिस गर्ल के बारे में वो सोच रहा था शी वॉज ऑलरेडी मैरिड. द नरेटर ऑफर्ड टू take him to Shastri to learn about the stars, whether Guru and Shani were favorable for him or not. क्योंकि उन्होंने सोचा कि जिस गर्ल के बारे में उसने सोचा वो तो मैरिड है, तो क्या कुछ नेगोशिएशंस, फ्रूटफुल नेगोशिएशंस हो सकते हैं ताकि नियर फ्यूचर में क्या होने वाला है, किससे शादी होगी, गुरु एंड शनि की क्या कंडीशन है, वो कंडीशन फेवरेबल है और नॉट. फॉर दिस पर्पस दे विजिटेड शास्त्री जी. रंगा accompanied him without any protest. So ये सॉल्यूशन दिया गया था कि हम शास्त्री जी के पास जाएंगे टू नो मोर अबाउट आवर फ्यूचर. एंड रंगा का रिएक्शन, ही विदाउट एनी डिनाई एंड विदाउट एनीथिंग he accompanied the narrator, means Shama. Now question number 7, what according to the astrologer was Ranga's cause of worry? So what was the cause of worry? चिंता का कारण क्या था? How did the name Ratna crop up? So ये रत्ना जो नेम ये कैसे निकल के सामने आया? According to the astrologer, the cause of Ranga's worries was a girl. एक गर्ल थी उनकी चिंता का कारण. She probably had the name of something found in the ocean. ओशन से निकलने वाला कोई नेम उस गर्ल का हो सकता है. When asked if it could be Kamla, the astrologer did not rule out the possibility. Actually, he was saying could be, ऐसा हो सकता है. He was not said exactly this may be. ऐसी possibility है कि उसका नेम ओशन में होने वाली कोई चीज़ से हो सकता है, मे बी कमला एंड लाइक दिस. When suggested if it could be पक्षी, मोस, वो जो काई जो होती है वो, the astrologer put a counter question, why not pearl or ratna? Then he said that moti या कोई stone, ratna means. Thus the name Ratna cropped up. In this way the name taken out Ratna. There was surprise on Ranga's face and some happiness, means mixed feeling was there. He was amazed with happy also and amazed too. What do you think had caused these feelings? And ये feelings कैसे arise हुई, क्या कारण था उन feelings का? When the narrator learnt from Shastri, the astrologer, that the name of the girl Ranga was worried about could be Ratna, he was at once reminded of Rama Rao's niece Ratna. Actually, when Shastri suggested, शास्त्री जी द एस्ट्रोलॉजर सजेस्टेड दैट उस गर्ल का नेम किससे होगा कि ओशन में फाइंड होने वाली, ओशन में मिलने वाली कोई चीज़ से. एंड ही सजेस्टेड द नेम रत्ना, द प्रीशियस स्टोन. तो रंगा को रिमाइंड हो गया कि रत्ना रामा राव की जो नीस हैं उनका नाम भी रत्ना ही है. ही आस्क्ड द एस्ट्रोलॉजर इफ देयर वाज एनी चांस ऑफ द मैरिज बीइंग फिक्स्ड देयर. और उन्होंने पूछा भी कि ऐसा कोई चांस हो सकता है जिससे हम उससे मैरिज कर पाएँ, क्योंकि उसकी इंफॉर्मेशन के अकॉर्डिंग दैट गर्ल वाज मैरिड 1 year बिफोर. द एस्ट्रोलॉजर गेव अ फर्म एश्योरेंस. एंड एस्ट्रोलॉजर ने बहुत ही पक्का विश्वास के साथ कह दिया कि आपकी मैरिज वहीं फिक्स होगी जिसका ओशन से निकलने वाला कोई नेम होगा. This caused happiness and surprise on Ranga's face. Happy इसलिए क्योंकि wedding हो सकती है, surprise इसलिए because that girl उसकी marriage हो चुकी थी 1 year back. Means it was given over there. How did the narrator test the sincerity of Ranga's feeling about Ratna? तो नरेटर ने कैसे पता लगाया कि रंगा के मन में जो रत्ना के लिए फीलिंग्स है वो जेन्युइन फीलिंग्स है? The narrator employed the age-old trick temptation for unattainable, means the things which is unattainable, which we can't get. हमको उसके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा क्या होता है, टेम्पटेशन होता है. So he first mentioned that the girl had been married a year ago. He noticed Ranga's disappointment. So when he mentioned that this girl is married, Ranga was disappointed. Ranga's face fell when the narrator mentioned to the astrologer that Ratna was married. और जैसे ही एस्ट्रोलॉजर ने नरेटर ने मेंशन किया, एस्ट्रोलॉजर को बताया कि रत्ना की तो शादी हो चुकी है 1 year बैक. व्हेन ही वॉज श्योर ऑफ द सिंसियरिटी ऑफ रंगाज फीलिंग, जब वो बहुत श्योर हो गए थे कि मेरा ऐसे कहते टाइम व्हेन आई वॉज मेंशनिंग इट कि रंगा तो 1 year बैक उनकी शादी हो गई है, रंगा का फेस जो था वो बहुत ज़्यादा मतलब पेल हो गया था, बहुत ज़्यादा डिसअपॉइंटेड हो गया था. दैट टाइम ही गॉट श्योर्ड कि मैं बिल्कुल सही हूँ, रंगाज फीलिंग्स आर जेन्यून, बिल्कुल जेन्यून फीलिंग्स हैं किसके लिए, रत्ना के लिए. ही डिस्क्लोज्ड दैट शी वॉजंट मैरिड, कि वो अभी शादीशुदा नहीं है. So next question, question number 20. There is greater truth in that Shastra than we imagine, says Ranga. What truth does he refer to and how was he made to admit it? Now, Ranga, who says that शास्त्रों में जो ट्रुथ है वो ज़्यादा बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रुथ लिखा होता है उनमें, जबकि जो हम इमेजिन करते हैं उससे ज़्यादा स्ट्रांगली थिंग्स कहाँ लिखी होती हैं हमारे शास्त्राज में. तो वो क्या ट्रुथ था जिसको वो एडमिट कर रहे थे अभी यहाँ पे. After their visit to Shastri, the narrator disclosed to Ranga that Ratna was not married. So उनकी विजिट के बाद शास्त्री के वहाँ पे जब श्यामा और रंगा की विजिट हुई थी, आफ्टर दैट नरेटर यानी कि श्यामा ने ये डिस्क्लोज किया, ये बताया कि रत्ना इज नॉट मैरिड, रत्ना मैरिड नहीं है. ही ऑब्जर्व दैट वॉट एवर शास्त्री टोल्ड देम had turned out to be true, और रंगा ने नोटिस किया कि शास्त्री जी ने उनको जो भी बताया था वो सब कुछ सच साबित हो गया. इसलिए उन्होंने कहा कि शास्त्रों में जो चीज़ें लिखी हैं those are greater truth, मतलब वो बिल्कुल सही है, जिसकी बजाय हम जो इमेजिन करते हैं वो सही नहीं होता. Still he could not believe that Ranga had been thinking of her, जबकि वो बिलीव नहीं कर रहा था कि रंगा उसके बारे में सोच रहा है, रत्ना के बारे में. He asked Ranga to confirm it. Ranga frankly admitted the truth that he was thinking of her. So, next question. What did the narrator tell Shastri about his performance? How did Shastri react to it? So, narrator ने शास्त्री को उसकी performance means उसको tutored, he was tutored actually by Shyama. So, about that he was asking कि कैसी परफॉर्मेंस थी एंड शास्त्री ने क्या रिएक्ट किया. द नरेटर टोल्ड शास्त्री दैट ही रिपीटेड एवरीथिंग ही हैड टोल्ड हिम विदाउट गिविंग राइज टू एनी सस्पिशन, मीन्स विदाउट एनी स्पेस ऑफ डाउट, कोई भी डाउट क्रिएट नहीं हो पाया. जो भी उन्होंने श्यामा ने शास्त्री जी को बोलने के लिए बोला था वो उन्होंने सारा कुछ वैसा का वैसा बोल दिया और कोई कन्फ्यूजन, कोई भी सस्पिशन, कोई भी डाउट क्रिएट नहीं हुआ. ही एक्सक्लेम्ड What a marvelous shastras yours is, means आपके शास्त्रों में जो लिखा है वो बहुत ही शानदार है. शास्त्री did not like his berating astrology. He retorted that he could have found out himself from the shastras. उन्होंने कहा, लेकिन शास्त्री जी को ये अच्छा नहीं लगा. And he said that, डांटते हुए क्या बोला कि जो भी उन्होंने बोला those that was out of shastras, वो शास्त्राज में से नहीं था. Next question. Comment on the ending of the story, Ranga's marriage. So, Ranga's marriage जो story है इसकी ending में क्या है इस पे हमको comment करना है. The story has a happy ending. Story की जो ending है वो बहुत ही happy है. Ranga has been married to Ratna and they have a 3-year-old golden boy named Shyama after their well-wisher, the narrator. और दोनों की वेडिंग हो जाती है रंगा एंड रत्ना की, एंड आफ्टर दैट दे उनके पास एक बेबी भी है 3 ईयर ओल्ड का, एंड उसका नेम भी किसके नाम पे रखा गया है, श्यामा के नाम पे, जो कि नरेटर था। एंड ऐसा क्यों किया था उन्होंने, क्योंकि श्यामा जो थे वो उनके वेल विशर थे। रत्ना इज 8 months प्रेग्नेंट, एंड अभी रत्ना जो है वो भी वो प्रेग्नेंट है एंड एक्सपेक्टिंग फॉर अ चाइल्ड, वेदर अ बॉय और अ गर्ल. सो दिस is the happy ending of the story. Thank you so much students. In the next video we will discuss all the long answer type questions. Keep watching, stay connected. Thank you so much.